kids, let's learn to spell the fruit names. Let's say it together. A B B L E makes the apple. Moving on to next one. B A N A N A makes the banana. Let's say it together. M A N G O makes the mango. We have to say it with me. P I N E A P another P L E makes the pineapple. Now the last one. W A D E R M E L O N makes the watermelon. Let's say it together now. A B B L E apple. B A N A N A banana. M A N G O mango. P I N E A P P L E pineapple. W A D E R M E L O N watermelon. Bye bye.